Assalomu alaykum barchaga. Bugun sizlar bilan yana bitta reading passage ko'rib chiqamiz va bu reading passage imtihonda tushish ehtimoli juda ham yuqori bo'lgan yangi passage. Iloji boricha bu videoni oxirigacha o'tkazib yubormasdan ko'ringlar. Birga ishlaymiz. Bilmadim qancha vaqt berilgan. Iloji boricha. Men ishlamaganman bu passage oldin. Outsex veb-saytida, demak, birga ishlaymiz mana shu veb-saytda. Real Exam interface'da ishlaymiz. Xo'p, demak, passage'imiz nima haqida ekan? Face recognition haqida ekan. 14 minut vaqtimiz qoldi ekan. Demak, bu passage 1 ekan. Bilmadim, oxirgi paytlarda passage 1 da qanaqadir tricklashib ketyaptimi xayolimda. Demak, savol turlari true, false, not given, matching information, and what's that called? I don't know, like categorization. Nimadir deyiladi shu savol turi. Nomi esimdan chiqib ketdi. Mayli. Hech narsa qilmaydi. Bizga nom emas. Nimasi kerak? Voy, yaqinlashtirilmayapti-ku. Mayli, anyway. Hop, face recognition in everyday life. Remembering faces is a skill. Demak, is in daily use. But in real life, we are not often called on to recognize people by their faces alone. Demak, tushundinglar. Information about the person's identity is supplied by body build, clothes, gait, voice, and the context in which the person is encountered, as well as the face. We know very little about the relative contribution of these different aspects of personal identity to the recognition process, but mistakes in and difficulties of identification suggest they are important cues. Clothes and context are both liable to change, and therefore ought to be less reliable as cues, but experience suggests that we do rely on them to a considerable extent. Men umumiy qilib tarjima qilib beraman, tushuntirib berishga harakat qilaman. Biz deyapti face recognition, facelarni eslab qolish yoki eslash. Bu har kunlik ishlatamiz bu narsani deyapti, lekin real hayotda faqat facega qarab turib emas, uni kiyimlari, boshqa narsalariga qarab turib ham nima qilamiz? Eslaymiz odamni deyapti, lekin biz kam ma'lumot beramiz, bularning contributioni, aspektlari, personal identity kam ma'lumot beramiz deyapti, lekin deyapti, o'sha xatolar shuni ko'rsatadiki, bu narsalar, ya'ni o'sha mana kiyimlari, qaysi yo'sinda ko'rishimiz u bilan yoki bo'lmasa ovozi juda muhim kuylar hisoblanadi deyapti. Kiyimlar, xullas, anyway. People may be temporarily confused when attempting to identify a person who looks like someone else. Bu haqida gapiraman. When describing someone, people generally describe the person's whole face. Bular haqida gapirmadik, menimcha true, false, not given keyroq chiqsa kerak. How certain types of face suggest ideas about the person's character. Ma'lum turdagi facelarni turi deyapti. Suggest qiladiki, shuni boshqatdan qilaylikda. Nimagadir. Endi mana yaqinlashyapti. Reference to the variability in the factors used to identify a person. A reservation about the future usefulness of face recognition, future usefulness. Situations in which remembering a face can be vitally important. The fact that some parts of the body and some parts of the face, right, may receive more attention than others. Examples of how mistakes may arise when identifying a person. 3 problems mentioned by the writer of the poor results obtained from the face recognition, difficulty of finding sufficiently well-known faces for research purposes, the effect of age on the reliability of face recognition data. Xo'p, menimcha o'qiganlarimizda mana bunisi oson bo'ladi. Reference to the variability in the factors used to identify a person. So, liable to change. Mana change deyapti. The clothes and context are both liable to change. Variability in the factors used to identify a person. Mana shu narsa menimcha katta ehtimol bilan javobga olib kelishi mumkin. O'shaning uchun hozircha buni A paragrafda belgilab qo'yaveramiz. agar mabodo undan ham convincingroq javob chiqadigan bo'lsa, keyin o'zgartirib olaveramiz. In contrast to real life situation, ya'ni real life situatsiyaga zid ravishda deyapti. Many of the experiments that test face recognition ability use still photographs of isolated faces taken out of context and stripped off all the additional information that normally accompanies a face. Ya'ni o'sha eksperimentlarda faqat yuzi o'zini ko'rsatdi ekanda, qolgan narsalarni olib qo'yibdi ekan. Unlike photographs, real faces are three-dimensional and dynamic, and these characteristics yield a great deal of additional information. Ya'ni rasmlarga, oddiy rasmlardan farqli o'laroq haqiqiy yuzlar deyapti. Ya'ni men misol uchun rasmni ko'rsak, u two dimensional bo'ladi, faqat bir tomondan ko'rinadi-ku, realni yuzlar, mana misol uchun meni yuzimni ko'rib turibsizlar, bundoq qilsam hozir three dimensional bo'ladi, ya'ni uch o'lchamli bo'ladi va o'zgaruvchan bo'ladi deyapti, dynamic bo'ladi. And these characteristics yield a great deal of additional information. Ya'ni bu narsalar additional information, juda ko'p additional information beradi deyapti. Face recognition in natural situations, ya'ni tabiiy situatsiyadagi face recognition can exploit a much wider and richer range of cues. Ya'ni xo'p, tabiiy holatlardagi deyapti face recognition, ya'ni yuzni tanib olish ko'plab va boy bo'lgan range of cuelardan foydalanadi deyapti. Xo'p, and is therefore more likely to be successful. Ya'ni nima bo'ladi? Ancha successful bo'ladi deyapti. People may be temporarily confused when attempting to identify a person who looks like someone else haqida gapirmayapmiz. Kimnidir describe qilish haqida ham gapirmayapmiz. Hali o'shaning uchun bularni tufayli o'tkazib olsak bo'ladi. Xo'p, reference to the variability in the factors used to identify a person. Mana shu o'xshab ketyapti, lekin bu beparafga ham o'xshab ketyapti. Shu 6 tura to'sin, qola qolsin hozircha. Reservation about the future usefulness. Future usefulness of face recognition studylarni future usefulness haqida hali gapirmadi. Situations in which remembering a face can be vitally important. Ya'ni shunaqa bir holatlarki, yuzlarni eslab qolish juda ham muhim. Qanday bizneslar haqida gapirish kerakmi? Bu menimcha hali uchratmadik bu narsani. The fact that some parts of the face may receive more attention than others. Ya'ni yuzning qaysi qismi, ko'zlari, burunlari, unaqa narsa ko'proq attentionni oladi, boshqa qismlaridan ko'ra degan narsani. Examples of how mistakes may arise when identifying a person. Yo'q, bu haqida ham gapirmadik. The poor results, difficulty of finding sufficiently well-known faces for research purposes, the effect of age, contradictory findings of studies, difficulty in judging. Ko'ramiz, hozircha A bilan B paragraf faqat bitta savolga ikkilamchi bo'lib turibdi. Ya'ni 6-savolga ikkilamchi bo'lib turibdi. Ya'ni ikkilamchi turibmiz. Uni yana qayta ko'ramiz. We know from our own experience that people seem to vary in face memory ability quite considerably. Ya'ni odamlar deyapti face memory abilityda farq qiladi deyapti. Biz experienceimizdan shuni bilamizki deyapti. So that it's difficult to say, shuning uchun ham qiyin deyapti, to say what level of performance should be considered normal. Ya'ni qaysi darajadagi performance normal hisoblanishi kerakligini biz bilmaymiz, aytish qiyin deyapti. The incidence of errors, demak xatolar, varies with degrees of familiarity. Ya'ni tanishlilik jihatlama har xil farq qiladi deyapti. Identification failures, ya'ni identify qilishdagi nimalar, fail qilishlar for face that are well known, juda mashhur bo'lgan, do sometimes occur, ba'zida uchrab turadi deyapti. But they are usually temporary errors, ya'ni vaqtincha bo'lgan errorlar hisoblanadi due to misleading circumstance, ya'ni o'sha bizani noto'g'ri yo'lga boshlaydigan yoki bo'lmasa qanaqadir misleading, okay, all right, in circumstance holatlar sababli, misol uchun change of the appearance, misol uchun odamni qanaqadir make-up qilgan payt biz tanimay qolamiz-ku, seeing someone in an unusual context, misol uchun kimnidir nima deydi, kutmagan joyimizni ko'rib qolsak tanimay qolishimiz mumkin, yoki poor visibility, yoki bo'lmasa o'zimizni ko'zimizni ko'rishimiz yaxshi bo'lmaganligi sababli, qanaqadir faktorlarni sanab tashladi bu yoqda, qanaqadir faktorlarni sanamadigan. Anyway, confusion may happen if a person is very similar in appearance to someone else. Ana endi mana bu savolga keldik. Mana very similar looks like kelyapmiz. Mana qaranglar. Confusion sodir bo'lishi mumkin ekan agar bir kishi deyapti appearance tomonda kimgadir o'xshab ketsa deyapti. Lekin bunaqa errorlar do not usually persist with prolonged inspection. Ya'ni yaxshilab inspect qilsa, ya'ni inspect degani yaxshilab qarab tursa, bu narsalar o'tib ketadi, bu errorlar sodir bo'lmaydi deyapti. With less well-known faces, ya'ni uncha tanilmagan yuzlar bilan deyapti, identification failures are more common. Ya'ni biz tanimaydigan odamlar bo'ladigan bo'lsa, uncha yaxshi tanimaydigan odamlarimiz bo'ladigan bo'lsa, Bu demak bunaqa xatolar ko'p uchrashi mumkin ekan. It's quite easy to forget the face of someone you have only met casually, seldom or a long time ago. Manda bo'lib turadi ba'zida, agar o'quvchilarim ko'rayotgan bo'lsa, ancha oldin o'qigan o'quvchilarim ba'zida unutib qo'yaman, chunki ularning yuzlari ham o'zgarib ketgan bo'ladi. Bo'lib turadi bunaqa holatlar. Xo'p, mayli. Anyway, people may be temporarily confused when attempting to identify a person who to'g'ri tushunib olamiz. Nima uchun tushunib olamiz desanglar, mana bu yoqda aytyapti, qaranglar. Confusion may happen if a person is very similar in appearance to someone. But such errors do not usually persist degan so'zimiz temporary degan so'zga to'g'ri keladi. Mana pronunciation salgina yomonroq. Temporary degan so'zga to'g'ri keladi. Xo'p. O'shaning uchun tushunib olamiz. Describing someone haqida gapirmadik. Best remember face haqida gapirmadik. O'shaning uchun bilan tashlab ketamiz. Xo'p. Endi mana bularni ko'ramiz. Types of face. How certain types of face suggest ideas about the person's character. Yuzi turi haqida, to'rt burchak, uch burchak haqida gapirmadik hali. Tak, reservation about the future is yo'q. Beyond situation in which remembering the face can be. No, I think we didn't talk about that. Some parts of the face may receive more attention than other. Examples of how mistakes may arise when identifying person. Mash haqida gapirdik. Examples, ya'ni situatsiyalarni gapirdik, qanaqadir kiyimlarni o'zgartirib qo'ygan paytda dedikmi, boshqa kontekstda ko'rgan paytda dedikmi, o'shaning uchun mana shunga demak biz D javob deb olsak bo'ladi. I'm sorry, C ekan, deymish. Xo'p, davom etamiz. When we need to describe a person to someone, describe haqida gapirish boshladik. Demak, kimgadir describe qiladigan bo'lsak, kimnidir with the intention of enabling the hearer to identify that person. Ya'ni nima niyatda o'sha eshitayotgan odamga, biz tasvirlayotgan odamni tanib bilish maqsadi bilan agar biz kimgadir describe qilayotgan paytimizda biz odatda deyapti, ko'p detal bermaymiz face haqida deyapti. Boyangi savolga biz endi teskari gap aytilyapti bu yoqda. Qani? Describing someone, people generally describe the person's face, whole face deyapti. Bu yoqda nima deyapti? Face haqida uncha ko'p ma'lumot bermaymiz deyapti. O'shaning uchun bu nima bo'ladi? False bo'ladi. We generally describe age, height. Demak, biz ko'pincha deyapti, nimasini tasvirlaymiz? Yoshini, bo'yini, kelish qaddi qomatini, any very distinctive features, curly red hair, beard or glasses. Shu narsalarni ko'proq biz tasvirlar ekanmiz. Comprehensive description of the face, ya'ni face yaxshilab tasvirlab berishi o'rniga. However, more complete and accurate recall is sometimes required. Demak, lekin deyapti, to'liq bo'lgan va aniq bo'lgan recall, ya'ni eslash talab qilinadi deyapti. As when witnesses are asked to describe suspects to the police or to construct a photo-fit picture. Mana situatsiyalar haqida so'ralyapti. Bu remembering face qanaqadir muhim bo'ladigan joylar haqida gap gapirilyapti bu yerda. Demak, mana bundan bittasi chiqadi hozir shu yerda. Future emas. Types of face suggest ideas about the person's character. Yo'q, karakter haqida gapiramiz. Image remembering can be very vital. Yes, mana bu narsani aytamiz biz. Xo'p, ya'ni mana qaranglar, ba'zida biz witnesslar, ya'ni guvohlar, suspektlarni, gumonlanuvchilarni policega describe qilib berayotgan paytda o'shani yaxshilab tasvirlab berishi juda ham muhim bo'lar ekan. Ya'ni bu important situation hisoblanadi bu. O'shaning uchun mana shuni belgilaymiz. Keyingisi, not all faces are equally easy to recognize. Hamma yuz ham eslab qolish uchun, nima deydi, eslab olish uchun yoki tanib olish uchun oson emas ekanda, shunaqa yuzlar bor. Dahshat qiyin. Experiments have shown that, experimentlar shuni ko'rsatdi ekanki, face memory is superior. Yuzni eslab qolish xotirasi yaxshiroq ekan if a face is seen in a variety of different poses rather than in repeated exposure of the same pose. Demak, nima deyapti bu yoqda? Yuzlar deyapti, har xil pozada, har xil vaziyatlarda ko'rinsa deyapti, nima bo'ladi? Eslab qolish osonroq bo'ladi. Ya'ni bitta pozada ko'rgandan ko'ra, bitta pozitsiya, bitta situatsiyada ko'rgandan ko'ra. In everyday life, ya'ni har kunlik hayotda faces that are familiar, ya'ni tanish bo'lgan yuzlar deyapti, are ones that have been seen from many different viewpoints. Ya'ni bu har kun ko'radigan yuzlarimiz har xil yuzlar ko'ramiz. Qarasak, bir suv olayotgan bo'ladi, yo choy ichayotgan bo'ladi, yoki bo'lmasa nimadir qilayotgan bo'ladi. Xullas kalom biz har xil situatsiyalardan ko'ramiz, har xil anglelardan ko'ramiz. Ya'ni o'sha burchaklardan ko'rganligimiz sababli ular qanaqadir eslash uchun oson bo'lsa kerak deyapti bu yoqda. The everyday intuition, ya'ni har kunlik intuitsiya deyapti, that highly distinctive faces are easier to remember than faces that are ordinary and typical. Ya'ni o'sha everyday intuition that highly distinctive face. Ya'ni aniq ajralib turadigan facelar remember qilish uchun osonroq, ya'ni ordinary and typicallardan ko'ra degan narsa has also been experimentally confirmed. Ya'ni eksperiment tomonlama bu confirm ham bo'libdi ekan bu narsani. Eksperiment ham qilib bo'libdi ekan. The effects of attractiveness are less clear cut. Ya'ni attractiveness, ya'ni o'ziga jalb qilishlik effektlari bu ancha aniq emas ekan, unchalik ham aniq emas ekan. Xo'p, some researchers have reported that attractive faces, ya'ni attractive bo'lgan, ya'ni o'ziga tortuvchi bir jozibador yuzlar eslab qolishga oson desa, boshqalari aytar ekanki, yo'q, nito teskarisi ekan. Shunaqa. Xo'p, there is also easier to remember bo'lmaslik kerak ekan attractiveness degan narsa. Bilmadim, o'ylab ko'ringlar, qanaqadir. Xullas, there is also some evidence, ya'ni ba'zi evidence ham bor ekan, the memory representation of faces are influenced by stereotypes. Ya'ni stereotypes degani qanaqadir bilasizlar, u stereotiplar odatda noto'g'ri narsalar bo'ladi. There is some evidence that memory representation of faces, ya'ni facelarni nima deydi, xotira tomonlama represent qilib berishi, nima deydi, stereotiplar tomonidan influence qilish mumkin. Misol uchun, it appears that people do believe that facial appearance is linked to personality traits. And a facial appearance, ya'ni yuzni qanaqa ko'rinishi bu inson xarakteriga bog'langan degan narsaga ishonar ekan. This means that judgments may be biased by the physical appearance of a person. Ya'ni odamni tashqi ko'rinishiga qarab turib ham bunaqangi judgment qilayotgan payti bu ko'pincha biased bo'lib ketib qolar ekan. Ya'ni o'sha noxolis bo'lib ketib qolar ekanmiz. Odamning yuz tuzilishiga qarab turib ham biza xulosa chiqarib olganmiz, noto'g'ri xulosa chiqarish ehtimolimiz yuqori bo'lar ekan. Types of face suggest ideas about the person's character degan narsaga biza nima qildik? Menimcha o'qidik shu narsani, oxirgi o'qigan narsamiz shu haqida bo'ldi. Future usefulness haqida o'qimadik, some parts of the face 6-ni belgilab qo'yaylik, shu ismimizdan chiqmasin mana shuni. A bilan B ga bitta boshqatdan qaraymiz. Mana shunaqada, mana 0 sekund bo'libdi, tugabdi vaqtimiz. Lekin yaxshi, veb-sayt bizga submit qilib yubormadi avtomatik. Men hozir tahlil qilib ishlab beryapman, o'g'aylar, o'shaning uchun vaqtimiz salgina ko'proq ketishi mumkin. To'g'ri tushunasizlar, gapsiz bo'lib ketmayman degan umiddaman. Xo'p, nima deydim? Tak. Odam endi readingga kirgan payt yaxshi qiziq olmaydi-da, o'shaning uchun boshda tanlaydigan javoblaringlar salgina xato ketish ehtimoli yuqoriroq. O'shaning uchun ularga ehtiyotkorroq bo'lib javoblarni olishda ehtiyot bo'lish kerak ekan. Xo'p, the fact that some parts of the face may receive more attention than others. Bu haqida o'qidikmi? Face qaysi qismlari deydi. Yo'q, menimcha unaqa narsa o'qimadik shekilli, bilmadim yana ham. Xo'p, bularchi. Yo'q, mana buni o'qib ko'raylik-da, 3-savol. The best remembered face are those that have been seen frequently in the same pose. Yo'q, bu false bo'ldi. In the same pose emas dedik. Har xil pozada, har xil situatsiyalarda ko'rgani yaxshi eslab qolinadi degan narsani aytdik. Face recognition improves in situations where observers are shown a very expressive face. Menimcha bu katta ehtimol bilan not given bo'lsa kerak. Birinchidan patron o'zi not givenga qarab taqayapti. Ikkinchidan face recognition improve qilish haqida, ya'ni yaxshilanish haqida hech qanaqa gap gapirmadik. O'shaning uchun katta ehtimol bilan bu tot not given bo'ladi. Demak, bizda 3 ta paragraf bor ekan. There is a growing body of evidence that suggests that faces are represented holistically or configurally. I don't know. So there is a growing body of evidence. Ya'ni ko'pala evidence bor ekan, suggest qilar ekan, facelar represent holistically. Ya'ni holistically degani to'g'ri salgina ismdan chiqdi hozir. That is by their overall shape and or structure rather than as a list of features. Ya'ni umumiy qilib tasvirlanar ekanda, represent show qilinar ekan, ko'rsatilar ekan. Ya'ni bir ketma-ket qanaqadir, misol uchun deylik, odamning nimasini, boshqa narsalarni, misol uchun body'sini, clothes'larini tasvirlayotgan payt qanaqadir list qilib aytishimiz mumkin ekan, lekin u bunda list bo'lmas ekan. Shunaqa ma'noni aytayapti menimcha. Mana shu ikkita odam, argue qilibdi ekan, in their studies that facial features are represented separately. Ya'ni yuzga ifodalar alohida represent qilinsa debdi ekan. Mana if qaraylik, o'tkazamiz. Memory for a particular feature should be as good when it's seen in isolation. Ya'ni miya, ya'ni o'sha miya nima deydi, xotira ma'lum bir o'sha feature, ma'lum bir xususiyat uchun qaratilgan xotira deyapti, should be as good, ya'ni yaxshi bo'lishi kerak when it's seen in an isolation as when it's seen in the context of the whole face. Xullas, alohida bo'lgan payti ham yaxshi bo'lishi kerak. Umumiy ko'rgan paytdagidek deyapti-da, xullas kalom. Bir nima deyapti, xullas. If faces are represented configurally, agar yuzlar deyapti configurally qilib represent qilinsa, ya'ni qanaqadir aks ettirilsa deyaptimi, then it should be more difficult to recognize isolated features. Ya'ni alohida bo'lgan featurelarni recognize qilish difficult bo'lishi kerak deb ekan. Xullas, their results showed that features learned in the context of a whole, right, normal face were better recognized when seen in a whole normal face. Bas normal ko'ringan payt normal eslab qolinadi deyapti. Although this advantage did not hold for scrambled faces or when the faces were upside down. Plus, the conclusion is that, plus mana xulosani o'qiylik. Normal faces are represented configurally in memory, ya'ni xotirada bizga miyalar normal facelar configurally eslab qolinar ekan. But the representation of scrambled or inverted faces is different. Ya'ni qana o'zgartirilgan facelar boshqacha ekan. By contrast, object recognition seems to involve specific parts of features being represented and processed separately and is not so much affected by inversion. Xullas, salgina murakkabroq paragraf ekan, boshqalarga qaraganda. Bu nima haqida gap ketyapti bu yoqda? O'sha yuzda qaysi qismlarni eslab qolish haqida gap ketyapti. Following problems are mentioned by the writer. The poor results obtained from the face recognition studies, difficulty of finding sufficiently well-known face research, the effects of age on the reliability of face recognition data, contradictory findings of some studies, difficulty in judging results from studies due to a variety of methods used, and an ability to assess the exact reason for success in identifying faces, difficulty in applying information obtained from tests to everyday situations. Yo'q, bo'lmas. The fact that some parts of the face may receive more attention than others. Mana shu bo'lishi mumkin. Features usefulness haqida o'qimadik menimcha. Shu javobni belgilab qo'yamiz. F paragrafda o'qidikmi? Menimcha katta ehtimol bilan mana shu F bo'ladi. Shu haqida ko'proq o'qidikda. Tak, ketdik, davom etamiz. Ikkita paragraf qoldi bizda. Despite the evidence that faces are represented configurally, features also seem to play some part in face recognition. There is evidence, for example, that some features are more salient than others. Lekin men bu yerda bittasi javob ko'ramiz. Salient. Okay, subjects spend more time looking at some features when memorizing a face. Recognition is more disrupted by changing some features than by changing others. And the face with a highly distinctive feature is more easily recognized. Experiments suggest that features in the inner part of the face, eyes, nose, and mouth. Hop. Are more important than features in other outer part, hair and the face shape. On the whole, current research has little to say about why some people are better than others at remembering face. Little to offer in the way of suggestions as to how we could train people to improve their face recognition skills. Laboratory experiments using artificial materials such as photographs representing disembodied faces, divorced from any social or situation context, are posing problems that are very different from those encountered in the real world. A reference to the variable, reservation about the future or usefulness of face recognition studies. And mana bu yoqda improve qilish, face recognition improve qilish, skilllarni improve qilish degan narsa. Xo'p. O'shaning uchun menimcha oxirgi paragraf shu bo'ladi. I'm sorry, mana bunday belgilashimiz kerak edi. Noto'g'ri belgilayapmiz. Paragraf olib turuvdikmi? Xo'p. Ana pastda belgilab berar ekan. Bizga mana shu savol qoldi. Juda ham g'alati savol. Tak. Mana bu yoqda oxirgisida o'qidik. Improve their face recognition skills. Laboratory experiments using artificial material. Artificial materialni foydalangan laboratory eksperimentlari, photographs presenting disembodied face. Social contextlardan olingan erosion problems. Posing problems arising are very different from those encountered in real life. A difficulty in applying information obtained from tests to everyday situations. Exact reason for the difficulty in judging results from studies due to contradictory findings of some studies. Effects of age. Find the sufficient well-known faces for research for the results obtained from the face. Muammolar. Current research has little to say about why some people are better. Difficulty in applying information obtained from test situations. Mana salgina mana shu oxirgisi to'g'ri kelyapti. Mana shu, mana bundan chiqadi bu. Little to say about why some people better than others. Inability to assess the exact reason for success in identifying. Judging the results from studies due to mana shu uchalasini deymanda oxirgi uchalasi mana shu to'g'ri javoblar bo'ladi. Bu mana bunga to'g'ri keldi. Different in judging results. Way of suggestion as to how judging results from study due to variety of methods. Variety of methods haqida ham qanaqadir shubhali. Poor results obtained from the face. Well-known faceland topish. Yo'q. Poor results obtained from the face recognition studies. Poor results. Age, reliability, contradictory findings of some studies. Shumakan. In judging results from the data variety of messages. Mana shuni aloqalaylik, shu uchalasi deylik. Nisbiy qilib oldim to'g'risi bu savollar. Nima uchun men bu oxirida mana bu savolni oldim degani, chunki men oxirida ikkita odam haqida gapirdik. Qaysi paragrafda ikkalasininki ikki xil chiqqandi nimasi. Contradictory chiqqandi. O'shaning uchun men shuni oldim. Endi bitta qoldi bizga, mana 6 qoldi. 6ni bitta qaytarib qarab qo'yishimiz kerak. A reference to the variability in the factors used to identify a person. Faktorlar har xil bo'ladi deyish kerak-da. Person identify. Very little about the relative contribution these different aspects of personal thing. But mistakes and difficult to identify suggested in context are liable to change and therefore ought to be less reliable. Use but experience. Okay, manimcha mana shu bo'lsa kerak, manimcha. Buni ham bitta ko'raylik. Be paragraph in contrast to the real life situation. Many of the experiments that face the use still photographs are taken out of context. Stripped down like photographs, real faces three-dimensional. The face recognition natural situation can exploit a much wider and rich range of cues. Plus yo'q, mana shu javobni qolaveramiz. Qani ko'ramiz. Oh, 11, 12, 13 da xato qilmizmi? To'g'ri javoblar ko'rsatilmabdi-ku. Menimcha 11, 12, 13 da javobi ham yo'q menimcha. Juda shubhali, juda shubhali. Hop. Javobi ham yo'q menimcha. Yo'q, lekin katta ehtimol bilan mana shu tanlaganlarimiz bo'ladi. Qolganlari xato. Poor results obtained from the face recognition studies. Difficulty of finding sufficiently well-known face for research purposes. Finding face haqida gapirmadik. Finding sufficiently well-known face haqida gapirmadik. Poor results haqida gapirmadik. Results obtained from the face recognition. Poor results haqida gapirdik, qarang. Hop, ko'rish kerak. Kelinglar endi bitta narsa qilib ko'ramiz. EFG. Bizning bittalaganmiz. T FG. Mana shu uchalasini chiqarib beryapti. B paragrafda o'sha boyangi aytganlarimiz opposite the result deganimizda F inability to assess the exact reasons. Bu H paragrafda mana bu yog'ida boshdan chiqdi. Difficulty in applying information obtained from test everyday situations. Bu biz oxirgi gapida shu. Shuning uchun to'g'ri, javoblarimiz to'g'ri. Xullas passage 1 lekin doimgi nimadan farqli passage. Misol true false not given chiqadi, bu yog'i sentence completion yoki bo'lmasa node completion tushadi-ku, shundan farqli passage ehtiyot bo'lish kerak, qarab qo'yish kerak. Mabodo real examda tushsa, misol uchun potensiali 7,5 yoki bo'lmasa 8 atrofidagi o'quvchini, ya'ni reading tomonlama aytyapman, qiynab qo'yishi mumkin, dovdiratib qo'yishi mumkin. Chunki odatda ko'pchilik mana shu true false not given bilan gap fillingga tayyorlanib boradi. O'shaning uchun ehtiyot bo'lib qo'yish kerak, qarab qo'yish kerak bularga. Shunaqa gap. E'tiboringiz uchun rahmat. Nimadir o'rgangan bo'lsanglar, men juda ham xursandman. Agar shu joygacha yetib kelgan bo'lsanglar, zo'r. Charchamanglar, bosinglar. Tahlillarni, yana ham video explanationlarni tayyorlashga, yana ham mana shunaqa narsalar qilishga iloji boricha harakat qilaman. E'tiboringiz uchun rahmat.